Okay, so now we have the VPC and RDS. So what is the VPC? So VPC means virtual private cloud. It actually lets you create your own private network inside an AWS. It's like building your own network in the cloud where you control everything, including your IP address range. Like suppose you can choose how devices in your network will talk to each other. You can make the subnets like small section of a network. Like you have a big, very big network. Inside the network, you can create a small network to organize them betterly. Then you can setting up the route tables and the gateways to control where the traffic goes. So with VPC you can safely run your AWS resources in a space that's completely under your control, just having your own private network. So after that we have RDS. So RDS means Amazon RDS is actually helps you manage the relational database without having to do all the hard work yourself. Like suppose we use the MySQL in the bare metal, we install it MySQL and other stuff, but using the RDS we can use it more efficiently. You can quickly set up and the database like the MySQL or the PostgreSQL. It takes care of things like the backup, scaling, and updates automatically. It also integrates with other AWS service, which helps the improve security and monitoring. So by the backup and scaling, suppose you have storage of 1 GB for like you have 100 users and 1 GB will be efficient for them. But suppose your user increases like 200 users. So in this case, you have to scale up your database manually. So if you the RDS, it will automatically scale up, scale down based on your user interaction with the database. So that is what a RDS is.